Hi guys, so today is 3 o'clock. Ayan, so pupunta kami sa park paglaruin ko yung anak ko. So ayan. Guys, we're going to tas pang ilog pala guys, oh. So punta kami, kakain kami ice guys. Gusto daw niya ice. So kain tayo ice. So dito tayo dadaan sa kabila. What's that? Ah, the baby come also.
Look at the baby.
Yeah.
The barn.
Okay.
Oh, nine.
Oh, 9. The baby come. Tingnan sa gilid guys. Una na yung batang makulit. Saan sa apartment dito? Apartment. That is apartment here. So mahangin. Maraming people. Maraming people. Si Ayan kasi ganoon siya eh. So lapit natin siya dyan. Ayan, laro siya dyan.
I'm trying the motor.
Yeah?
The motor.
Find motor? Yeah, come on, Balter. Ayan, guys. So, pupunta kami dito. Malapit lang dito yung park. Nasa likod lang ng bahay namin. So, hindi na namin kailangan lumayo. Hey, come on.
Hello. Hello.
Here. Then here. Here. Da. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng flowers, oh. Tingnan yung flowers. Yan, violet. Yun na, nauna na yung batak. Tingnan nyo yung dito sa gilid. Ayan, yung ilog. Yeah?
There's the baby.
Isn't it the baby?
This is a big baby. Baby.
That is thine baby?
Big baby.
Oh, look at the kakak. He's coming. Hello.
Hello, kakak.
Hello, kakak.
Hello, kakak.
Hi.
Hello, kakak.
Hi, kakak. Hi.
Hello, kakak. Nine.
9.
Hello, kakak. Hello, kakak.
Hi, kakak.
Hi, kakak. Hi, kakak.
Oh, kukma guys, ang ganda ng flowers. Bound flowers. Oh, why is it toy kakak? What is it toy kakak here? Mainit guys. It's so warm. It's I think 22 degrees today. Hi kakak. Bye bye. Basta apat sila. Wow. He eating the grass. Yeah? Eating the grass? Oh, come on, let's go. Bite. Bite. Yeah. Let's rock. Bite. So, ayun na nga guys. Tingnan mo naman yung mama, may bag. May bit-bit na bag. So, hindi na kami nagdala ng Kinderwagen. Kasi no need. Kasi malapit lang naman. Ayan, yung mama. Tapos may bit-bit naman yung mama ng mga toys sa sand. Yung ginagamit niya. So, ayan. Ganyan na talaga tayo pag mamama na tayo. Is wake? Where's the kakak?
Kakak is wet.
This is the ilo, ano dito? River. Ayan, nagkawala yung tubig.
Mama.
Was? Sleeping. The kakak is sleep. The kakak is sleeping. So dito lang kami maglaro. Yan. Diyan.
Mama.
Yeah? Yeah, we playing there.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah. Or you can playing here, Babam. Here must better here, yeah? Yeah. Meron din doon naman. Yan. Ito. Sliding yan. So, ito rin din naman dito. Okay na. Ayan, maganda rin naman dito. Tapos, upo ka lang dito. Yan. Tapos, dyan. Tapos, maglalaro lang siya dyan. Ayan. Here, and toys! Here. Tapos, may upuan. Ayan. Upuan. Yeah. You can play there. And then Mama sits in there, okay? So, upo lang ako dito, guys. Ayan. Titingnan ko lang siya. Hey, bubistuhin. We can play with here. For playing. Yeah. We can playing. Pull up the toys. No, no need to up. We go downside. Why you need to up? Yeah, you can play downside. So